Hello and welcome to Tradexbis channel, where we teach you premium Forex educational videos that you don't want to miss. If you want to learn trading and advance in your career and excel and grow, then this is where you want to be. So make sure you subscribe to our channel now, turn on notifications, so every time we drop a very good video, you want to watch it immediately, okay? So I know you've seen the strategy. Yes, you probably seen it, and it looks simple, right? It looks very, very simple. Now, beginners don't fail because they don't learn enough. They fail because they don't test what they learn. So in this video, we'll be showing you and we'll be testing the strategy in our previous video to see if it really works and how you can use it to take strategic entries in the market. Okay, so if you are yet to watch that video, watch the previous video to understand that strategy better before diving into this video. Now let's rewind a bit. When I first started trading, oh my God, it was so overwhelming. I was trading strategy after strategy, learning different courses and materials. And I was like, why is this thing so ambiguous? Until I found the strategy that was so simple and easy. And that was what helped us to discover the SSS. That is the strategy we discussed in our previous video. Okay, so I'm putting this video to you. I'm making this video now to test that strategy and to also not make you go through the stress I went through. And also it will save your time and resources. Okay, so you want to pay attention to this video and watch it till the end. All right. So if you're here to open a trading account and you're watching this video, click on the description for the link to open your trading account in less than 5 minutes. It is so easy, right? So let us backtest this strategy. Let us check it out and see if it actually works. Okay. All right. So beautiful. This is our chart. This is volatility 51S index on synthetic indices for Deriv. Now this is Deriv broker and this is the chart. Okay. Now when I talked about that strategy the last time, I said the first thing you want to look out for is your structure. Okay, the structure of the market. So what kind of structure is this chart? Now this is an uptrending market structure. In other words, it's called a bullish market structure. Now how did we conclude that this market or this chart is what uptrending? You can see series of higher highs and higher lows. This is high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, a new higher high, the higher low, this region. Okay, this is a higher high, so I can't really see that here, and I don't want to disrupt my screen. So this is the higher low. Okay, so that is what we mean by a bullish market. It means the trend is going up, the market is what? Buying. So when you see this kind of market, you're looking for buying opportunities. You want to buy at the low. So how do you do that? You bring out your fib, which is the second step. Okay, now you bring out your fib retracement, your Fibonacci 2. Okay, so when you want to draw, you draw your fib on this uptrending market, on this chart. So when you want to draw your fib retracement in our trending market, you want to draw it, okay? You want to draw it from bottom to top. Okay, so this is it. All right, so you are looking to enter the market for a buy anywhere below the 0.5. All these numbers here, 0.786, 0.618, 0.510, they are key Fibonacci levels. Your Fibonacci 2 is like a ruler in the market. It shows you key zones. So anywhere, any area below the 0.5 is where price is likely to retrace to in an uptrending market. So you want to look for buying opportunities there. So you can see this chart now. The next thing you want to do what? You want to check your position. Now this is your position. All right. So for a buy, a bullish market, for a buying opportunity, you go long. All right, when you go long, it means what? It means you want to buy. Now you place your SL at the swing low, just a little bit below your swing low, and then your entry. This is the entry for this chart. Okay, don't forget it's anywhere below 0.5, and then your TP, you place it at what's the swing high. Okay, Now look at this risk to reward ratio, 1.84. That is almost 2. So if you're risking about $10 on this trade, it means you're making $18. If you're risking $100, you'll be making $180. Okay, that's just how simple it is, and that is what it means. Okay, so for a beginner trader, after you've seen your structure, drawn your fee, you can just take your entries anywhere around 0.5. Okay, just don't stress yourself, right? But for an advanced trader, there are more things you need to look out for. There are more things like the bullish engulfing can do that you need to look out for. The bullish engulfing, you need to check out for break of structure on lower time frame. Those are more complex and advanced teachings, and don't trust us. I'm going to drop the videos on this channel, so you need to what, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of this. All right, so there are more advanced things to check out for, but as a beginner, don't stress yourself. You can just take your entries anywhere to the 0.5. So this is how it really works. So if you're a patient trader, look at this thing. It even went as high as this place, as high as 1 to 3. It went high. That is the beauty of Forex. You can trade Forex and make a lot of money, gather a lot of pips. Okay, this is actually 1 to 3. So anything you're risking, you're seeing 3%, or you're seeing times 3 of that money that you're risking. It is so beautiful. So this shows that that strategy works. It's simple, easy, and clean, and what it works. Okay, so let's check it for a downtrending market too. Let's see what happens about that. Okay, so this is a downtrending market. All right, how did we conclude that this is a downtrending market? I've said it. You identify your structure. You can see this is what? This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high, the lower low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is a new lower high about to form a new lower low. All right, beautiful. So that is for your structure. This is a downtrending market. This is a bearish market. Market is just selling. That is what it means. And when you see a bearish market, market is selling, then what do you want to do? You want to sell as well. You want to look for sell opportunities. And when you want to sell at the high. So the next thing you do is what? Your fib. Don't forget that. Let's do that. Your fib retracement. So when you want to draw your fib in a downtrending market, so you pick your fib. When you want to draw your fib in a downtrending market, you draw it from top to bottom. Okay, draw it from top to bottom. Let me make it, yeah, good. So you draw your fib from top to bottom, particularly drawing it in this range. Yes. Okay, great. Let me just adjust it a bit. This is the range I'm using. Okay, so you draw your fib from top to bottom. That's the direction of the market. Market was selling from top. Good. So after drawing your fib, you are looking to enter for a sell anywhere above the 0.5, which is the 50%. So you can see the 0.618786. All these are areas where you want to take your sell for a bearish market, a downtrending market. And look at this chart now. It's so good. Look at where this chart retraced at, in between 786 and 1. Okay, let's take our position. Let's check it out. Let's see how it looks like. So this time around, you're going for short. Short means you want to sell. Okay, so you place your short position. Don't forget your SL. This pink part represents your SL. If you're just seeing this, if you don't understand that, so you just adjust your SL a little bit above the swing high. Okay, look at your entry. Oh my God, this is so good. This is looking great. Look at this. So your target will be at the swing low. This is already a 1 to 5. So that is the beauty of this strategy. That is the beauty of using Fibonacci and, waiting patiently. Because at the 0.5, that's where you could enter. But if you are still waited, look at where price got to. And that is really, really selling high. Look at where you want to take the entry at, in between 0.786 and 1. Look at how you'd have made a lot of money. 5 weeks to reward ratio. If you're risking $10 in this trade, you're making $50. If you're risking $100, you're making $500 a pool. That is so great. That's so cool. You can make money in Forex markets. You don't need to stress yourself, put a lot of things in your head. All you need is just a simple strategy that works. Look at the market was even selling. So even if you are a patient trader that you take your trades and wait, look at it. This is what? This is 7.57. You're risking $10 and you're making almost $80 on one trade. That is the beauty of Forex markets. Look at the strategy. It actually works. It's not just mouth, it's not just hype or just theory. It is practical. Now, this is it that we just back tested. It really, really works. Don't forget that you can practice this on your demo accounts, and then after practicing it and knowing how it all works, you can then go ahead to trade it with real accounts. Don't forget to always manage your risks anytime you want to trade. Don't say you've seen a strategy that works and you want to. No, 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 no. They have to consider it. All risks what you can afford to lose, and be very, very considerate to your risks. Okay. Forex market, you don't know the outcome actually. It could be 50-50. All right. So if you've gained something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and just comment your sincere thoughts on this video. All right. Thank you so much. And if you're watching this video right now, it means you have interest in trading. If you have not opened a trading account, click on the link in the description to open a trading account in few minutes. It's so simple and so easy. Okay. This is Tradexbis. I believe you enjoyed this teaching that we just back tested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content, more Forex educational content, straightforward, concise, and very helpful. Okay. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you next time on the same channel. All right. This is Tradexbis.